Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all my top weight loss lunch recipes that can help you lose 10 kgs in a month very easily. Lunch is a very important meal of the day and the favorite one too. And in your weight loss journey, lunch plays a very important role. So I'll be sharing with you all my favorite weight loss lunch recipes and ideas that can help you lose weight very fast and will also be fuller enough you won't feel hungry at all till your dinner time. So without any delay, let's get started. As a ritual, before lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in fresh lukewarm water. What will it do? It will prevent your food to be stored in the intestines for a longer time. It will not allow your food to be stored for a longer time in your body and hence clearing your stomach and intestines as soon as possible. The first weight loss lunch recipe is low-fat roti with sabzi. Now, I personally feel that we Indians have a hard time in our weight loss journey to leave or avoid chapatis completely. We cannot stop eating roti or chapati in our diets as we have been growing by eating this as our very important meal of the day. So I'll be telling you all how you can eat roti till lose weight very easily. Now the normal wheat flour, that is atta we use, is full of gluten and carbs. So why not we change the atta itself? Now I'll be telling you all 3 attas which you can prepare your roti with and will only help you lose weight every single day you eat them. That is, first is wheat bran, chokar ka atta, second is oats ka atta, third is jaw ka atta or barley flour. Now these 3 flours have a lots of properties which help in weight loss. So prepare your chapati with the help of these atta. You can mix all 3 of them in equal proportions, or you can also prepare one of it at a time. Have it with any seasonal veg which has very less oil in it, and you can enjoy your chapatis with sabzi as your normal diet food and weight loss lunch. Now the second weight loss lunch recipe is for all of those who love pulao or biryani but are definitely afraid to have it as it contains lots of calories in it. Now, the best way to prepare it in the fat-free manner is with the help of brown rice. Now, I know that it sounds a little tasteless when I say brown rice, but trust me, when you once and first time use it, you'll definitely fall in love with them as they are so much low in fat and does not bloat your stomach when you consume them. Now I've shared my brown rice pulao recipe in my previous video, that is 900 calories meal plan. You can watch it from there and prepare it at home very easily. Have it with tomato raita or any kind of raita. You can also have it with cucumber raita or normal low fat curd. Just add roasted jeera powder to it and black pepper powder to it for taste. Not add any kind of table salt at all, and you will love having this weight loss lunch recipe in your diets. Now the third weight loss lunch recipe is multi-grain dalia. Dalia sounds a little boring, but preparing this multi-grain dalia is very easy and tasty as well, with lots of nutrients and vitamins in it. I have shared a complete video on how to prepare this dalia in a very easy manner. So do not forget to check that video out. I'll link it down in the description box below. It helps you lose weight fast very easily as it is packed with proteins, vitamins and minerals and keeps you fuller for a longer time of the day. Now the fourth one is delicious and very easy to prepare. That is rice idli with sambar. All of those who love eating South Indian food, this is for you. Now a lot of people have asked me that how can rice idli help in weight loss? It does promote weight loss as rice and urad dal, when combined together, produce a lots of proteins which are very good for your health and ultimately results in weight loss. Have 2 to 3 idlis of good size with coconut chutney or with sambar. I have shared the complete recipe of my favorite rice idli with sambar or coconut chutney in my previous video, that is 900 calorie meal plan. I link it down in the description box below. You can check it out from there and prepare this rice idli very easily, and do not be afraid of eating this as it is not at all weight gaining. It loses weight very easily and quickly. Now sometimes we all have urges to have rajma or any kind of pulses that are prepared at our kitchens or homes, so do not restrict to it at all. If rajma is prepared at your home, have it with brown rice. A bowl of brown rice is good for your health. It will not at all help you gain weight. Eat good food in good quantity, but do not skip it at any cost because you will feel depressed with it as you are not able to eat the food. We do not want that to happen. Eat brown rice with any kind of pulses, that is Rajma, or white chana, that is Kabuli chana, or any kind of pulses. Pulses are full of fiber which keep you fuller for a longer time and also keep you happy. Now the last one is my personal favorite. When I do not want to have all the stuff that I mentioned earlier, I skip to this food, that is paneer tikka. Yes, I know you'll be shocked to hear paneer tikka as your weight loss lunch. No, it is not at all bad. It is good in all the manners as you can grill lots of veggies in it, starting from low fat paneer, obviously, then capsicum, red capsicum, yellow capsicum, green capsicum, onions, tomatoes, or whatever you want to add in it. It is not compulsory to marinate it, but if you want to marinate it, marinate with low fat curd or hung curd and some spices. It is good to go. It is so delicious and so fuller that it completely satisfies you and your taste buds completely. Now all of us do not have barbecues at home to prepare paneer tikka, but there is a grill pan available online or in the nearby markets as well. I use that to prepare my paneer tikkas or grill any vegetables. It is very easily available online also. I'll link it down in the description box below if you want to buy it. It will save you a lot of money than the normal barbecues, and preparing paneer tikka in it is very easy and hassle free. So if you want to buy it, check out the description box below. Substitute your normal lunch recipes with these recipes as your weight loss journey and you will definitely lose weight very fast and easily. My agenda has always been that to eat and then lose weight. Do not restrict yourself from anything. Eat, but eat it in a healthy way. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of my recipes, and subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More. Do not forget to check out the description box for all the links and all the videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I post and upload regularly there, so do not forget to stalk me on my social medias to get inspired every single day. Hit that subscribe button right now and do not forget to press that bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload awesome videos. Till then, eat and stay healthy always.